Hello and welcome to Foodomania. Today we are making a delicious and healthy dish from the northern state of Bihar known as Litti. These are kinda like whole wheat dumplings stuffed with a spicy high protein filling and baked to perfection. Let's begin with the dough. You'll need some whole wheat flour. Make sure to get the Indian chakki ka atta. Then add some salt, a pinch of baking soda, ghee or oil and water. Mix until the dough comes together, then using your hands, knead for about 8 to 10 minutes to form a smooth dough. Cover and let it rest for 30 minutes or so. Meanwhile, let's make the filling. Add some sattu powder, finely chopped green chilli, ginger garlic paste, finely chopped onion, cilantro or coriander leaves and some achar masala with the oil. Achar is basically Indian style pickle and I recommend that you use North Indian style mango pickle for this one. Then go in with some onion seeds if you want, a pinch of cumin powder and salt to taste. Then add some mustard oil for binding and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice. Mix to distribute the spices well and form a crumbly mixture. Let's form the litti now. The dough should be soft and easy to handle. Divide it into equal portions and roll it into neat balls and set it aside. In your workstation, take a ball of dough and form a cup, making sure that the center is thicker while the edges are thinner. Then add some of the filling in the center and carefully bring the edges together by pleating and pinch them at the center to seal the dough well. Roll it gently and flatten ever so slightly, and that's a formed litti. Repeat with the rest of the dough. Then add the formed litti to a baking tray or an air fryer basket. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the littis are well cooked. Litti is usually cooked in a wooden fire stove, and to get that smoky flavor, you could either cook them for a few seconds on a fire stove, or if you don't have that, I highly recommend brushing the litti with a drop of liquid smoke. When the litti is hot, you should also brush them with some melted ghee or mustard oil. Serve them while they're hot. You have a bunch of options to serve these with. Traditionally, litti is served with chokha, a mixture of eggplants, potatoes, onions and tomatoes. But they also taste great with baingan ka bharta, which is what I'm serving them with. They also pretty much taste great with any spicy side dish. And that's it. These are pretty healthy, high in protein, and make for a great snack or main course. I hope you give this a try. The written recipe is on foodomania.com. Enjoy!